Are you starting Amazon FBA and struggling to find deals? Well, today we have a video which may help, as we're going to be showing you 5 more Amazon FBA deals we found in the month of August which you can actually sell. Also be showing you exactly where you can buy them. So welcome back to the Profitl channel. As always, make sure to hit that subscribe button for Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. Today, of course, we're heading back into the wonderful world of Amazon FBA, and specifically 5 more Amazon FBA deals which we found in the month of August. And today we have saved the best one until last, so make sure to stick around until then to see a brilliant FBA deal. So all of these deals come from our deal of the day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday to all of our customers for free, just to give them inspiration on the types of deals out there, show them what stores are running discounts at the moment, and we do this in both the UK and the US. Now here at Profitl, we do always like to be transparent with people. We do have well over 5,000 people in our Discord, so we do get seen by quite a lot of people. So we don't really recommend to actually buy these deals as such, just because they do get seen by so many people. It's a great way to get some inspiration on the types of deals you can source, the websites to use, and so on. So let's jump right into deal number 1. And first up, we've got a product from the website Playmobil. I'm sure you've heard of Playmobil before. They're great for selling on Amazon, really popular. And this one is this God of the Sea, which we can buy for £4.49. Now we're going to be showing you the source website and the actual Amazon listing as well, and then we'll be running you through all the data as well. So buying this one for £4.49, selling it for £12.88, so really nice price difference. Now you'll see Profitl on the right hand side of your screen. It's selling 18 to 28 units a month. It's got great reviews, so 59 ratings, really healthy profit, 100% return on investment, giving us a £4.71 profit per unit, and only 4 other FBA sellers on this listing. Let's show you how much stock they have as well. And as we can see, only 26 in stock between them at the moment, so not too much competition. Now, of course, there is a chance more sellers are going to come onto this listing, but if there are less sellers at the start, that is of course only a good sign. Now moving on to deal number 2, and this one is from the website NDA Toys, and this one's more of a wholesaler, sort of a mix between a retailer and a wholesaler, but the actual product is a Smurf toy, and these are £2.95 each. They actually come in a pack of 5, but they're £2.95 each when you break them up. Now if we head over to Amazon, we can see these are selling for £8.97, so we're going to be buying them for £2.95, and we're going to be selling them for £8.97. Sales 34 to 52 units a month, so decent sales. Obviously a popular product with 856 reviews. Very healthy return on investment, so 81%. Giving us a profit of £2.55 per unit and a Profitl ranking of 76 out of 100, and only 3 other FBA sellers. Now, if we were actually analysing this product in order to purchase it, we would be going into a lot more detail. Today is purely just to show you the basics of sourcing products, but when you're actually buying them, we look at much more data like the graphs, the average prices, all just to try and minimise our risk of bad buys. Now, before we get into the next product, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive Profitl YouTube discount code, which can save you some money on your Profitl subscription. We'll make it pop up on the screen. It's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans do already have over 50% off, so that's a 55% saving on yearly plans. So make sure to take that down when you are looking to start your Amazon FBA journey. So moving on to the next product, and this one is from the website The Entertainer, and we can buy this one for £9. It's this Squish Mallows for yellow Dumbo octopus. On Amazon it sells for £17.99, and I wanted to show you this one just to explain just how it does work on variation listings. So these sales here, 34 to 52 units a month. That is split between all of these products, so you can use the view variation sales button on Profitl to actually work out how each one is selling. And it's really important to be careful with these variation products, because you can get caught out with buying a less popular variation. The sales rank and the reviews, that is split between all these different products, so it is just something you do need to be aware of. So now on to deal number 4, and this is from the website Notino, and I'm sure if you've seen our videos before, you know this is one of our favorite websites for sourcing arbitrage products. And it's this leave-in lotion for very damaged hair, which we can buy for £7.50 each. Now on Amazon it's selling for £17.76 each. Now not huge sales, only 7 to 27 sales a month, but a very healthy profit again, so £6.66 profit per unit. 86% return on investment. Only 4 other FBA sellers currently selling on this listing. And then moving on to the fifth and final product, and potentially the best one as well. Let us know in the comments if you do agree. But it's from the website Smith's, and it's Ben and Holly's Princess Holly's Magical Wand, which we can buy for £7.99. If we head over to Amazon, we're going to see it selling for £21.39. So a really nice price difference right off the bat. Sales 34 to 52 units a month, really healthy sales. 4.5 star, 20 ratings. But what we loved was the profit, 123%, £10.07 profit per unit. And what that means, if the prices do drop, which they are likely to, that is how Amazon typically works. As more sellers do come on the listings, a lot of people start to drop their price annoyingly, but that's how it works. It gives us so much more wiggle room, and it means we can still make great profit even if that price does come down. So that's 5 more of the best FBA deals we found in August. Now please don't forget, you're probably going to be gated in a lot of these products. That is just Amazon FBA. When you do first start, most items you will be gated in. If you did want to learn more about getting ungated, we've got a video just up here. Is going to take you through the steps of actually getting ungated in different brands and categories, and it is a great way to expand your Amazon FBA business. And realistically, you won't have a lot of success unless you do start ungating different brands and different categories. So as you can see, a great range of products there, and so many different types of products you can sell, so many different websites you can actually source from, and that is just such a small proportion of the deals we find every month, and such a small proportion of the deals our members find as well. There really is deals on most websites. You just need to know where to look. Please don't think finding Amazon FBA deals is easy, because it isn't. It does take a long time to learn. You have to have a lot of commitment and put a lot of time into it. But as with anything, the more time you do spend doing it, the easier it does become. But that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.